Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Hope you're all doing great. Today we're making something simple but very yummy and refreshing, and that is watermelon milkshake. Yummy and refreshing. And for this we are using watermelon and milk. For milk I'm using soya milk. Check my channel on how I made soya milk. I'll leave the link in the description box below, and the card will also pop up here. So I've cut the watermelon into tiny chunks, and here I have a cup of milk. The next thing I do is to pour the watermelon into the blender and blend. I'll blend the watermelon very well first before putting in milk, because watermelon has a lot of liquid, and if I add it milk it will not blend as I want. So I blend the watermelon first. After blending it, I now add milk and mix very well, blend again. And that is it, and we have our yummy, refreshing and delicious watermelon milk shake.